Onyx releases yet another books product. This is the 6th release for the year 2022. This is the Onyx Boox Poke 4 Lite. This is a continuation of the Poke series that has been one of the greatest successes of theirs collectively as a company. It is a 6-inch e-ink Carta HD screen, except this one is not a flush screen and bezel, which we'll discover a little bit later on when we do the review. 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs onboard storage, Android 11, and onboard Google Play, of course, all in a little tiny compact package. Hopefully, as per the color on the box, this is the white version. It is. A lot of manufacturers have just had black devices. Black devices are fantastic, but it's been business as usual for far too long. It's nice to have a different body color every once in a while. You have a USB-C cable inside, and underneath the tray here, you do have some documentation, your warranty card, which will max the sticker on the box, and all of your quick start, all of your information, and many different languages I might add as well. So let's look at the device itself, because there's no pen, there's no other accessories in the box, of course. It doesn't come with a case for the most part, because the Poke series never really does. So we have to open this bag with very strong adhesive, very uncharacteristic of Onyx actually. Very nice, beautiful, beautiful feel. Almost no texture, but it's not super smooth. There's no grit to the back, so that's really nice. And why I say that is because the Nova Air had this kind of paint-peppered feel to it, so the appearance was kind of high grip. This one isn't such. This one has nothing on the side, nothing on the other side, power button with LED indicator built in on the top, and on the bottom we have a USB-C and an unknown dot, which will be in the user guide, which we can clearly see is a microphone. We don't need to turn this on to see if it has English, because Onyx is one of the most international friendly companies in the entire world, possibly next to Pocketbook. They are very, very good when it comes to dictionaries, keyboards, languages, and even store selection. You can choose your own stores where you want to deal with. This one, as we mentioned, is not a flush screen and bezel, which we have not seen from Onyx in a long time, since approximately the Poke 2 color. So this is going to be a very interesting review. We very much are excited for this. The form factor looks great, the color looks great, it feels good in the hand, it's nice and small, and it continues one of the greatest lines of theirs, the Poke series. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Poke 4 Lite by Onyx Boox. Stay tuned for a full review, and for now, and goodyreader.com, this is Peter.